Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my social media planner, which is the New Day Classic Size Happy Planner. It is a dashboard layout, so it is a different layout than I normally use. And this is my social media planner. So with that said, I wanted to go ahead and bring in some seasonal stickers into this spread. It is the last week of April, so April 26th through May 2nd, and I thought it would be so much fun to kind of make it fun and joyful and just happy. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. If you are, thank you, and if you are new here, welcome. I hope you like it. Okay, I really like this bike ride sticker, and I'm going to go ahead and place it in my focus area. This is screaming spring for me, and I just find it so happy and joyful. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side with Let the Joy Burst Forth like the flowers in the spring. I think that's kind of perfect. I don't want to black the flowers too much, so I'm gonna place it like this, and the colors match perfectly. And I think in the middle I'll end up using some kind of quote. So here we go. Okay, let the beauty of what you love be what you do. That sounds great. That sounds really great. Okay, and I'm gonna add some checklist right off the bat. And I will switch them because of that same green with the stars underneath the bike ride. And I'm pulling out the spring book as well. Look how pretty and fun this is. And the yellow boots, oh my gosh, that's like screaming spring, and it's bringing in all of this yellow, which I think is so happy and joyful. And might as well add this yellow flower pot too to bring in more of that yellow. It's already standing out so wildly. So this sticker books has these flowers in the seasonal, and they actually match, and the spring sticker book from the Happy Planner as well. So I might be combining these. Okay, maybe in the corner. And then so it catches just a little bit of each one. Okay, so now I have all of this extra flower parts that I can work in. Let's see. Okay, and then at the top I can go ahead and add this tiny little bit of florals, and let me align it so it looks good. There we go. And I'm not sure about this flower right there because that area is already so busy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the middle of the spread like so. Hopefully that breaks up and adds some florals in there. And I'm gonna cut a flower in half and then add some more without taking too much of my valuable space. Every path has its petals, and I'm adding that. It's so cute. With the rain boots, it makes sense. And then we have some flowers in there. And then no rain, no flowers. And I'm going to cut this quote from a full. And I'm going to put no rain above the boots and no flowers next to them like so. I think that looks pretty great. I hope you guys agree. And then all I need is my favorite book, of course, which is the beautiful sticker boxes, the original boxes, and I'm gonna add some of these into the prompts and cover them up and go from there. This is such a colorful and different spread. It's usually not how I plan, but I thought this will be a nice change and a little bit of fun. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm not sure. I'm sure once I write in it, I will be pretty happy with it, but I never know. I'm never really sure how to feel about these. It does feel like it needs just a couple more things to make it last blank. So I'm gonna add some page flags, maybe right there. I will add a little bit more yellow. The plan, that makes sense, right? And then I'm gonna layer some page flags and see how that goes. Bring on the week. That green is too dark, so I'm gonna remove both of them. And I will use this some other time, but I will add a weekend weekend banner and then add those to the weekend on Friday, and hopefully this will kind of break in and bring in more of the yellow. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty great and it's a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. I will see you very soon for another plan with me. Have a great week. Bye!